Yeah, the seat bounces, but it makes a cute little putter and goes in a circle.
No, it's so cool.
So,
But obviously,
it's a lot of fun, you know.
Yeah.
10-year-old me always wanted one of these. A real little gas tractor that would make
Oh,
a
has it been
circle.
around that long?
No.
Oh, you're just saying.
You know, like a little kid, you always dream of stuff like this.
I get it. It was your gift to you.
So,
I get it.
now they're making them, I gotta have one.
Yeah, right? Oh my God. Oh, that is so cool. So, is it just one gear?
Yeah, it's just got one forward and one reverse.
So, when do they come pre-built, or do you have to like kind of like build it a little bit?
It came all assembled, and then
you just have to do little modifications, or
yeah,
how long can it run for?
I don't know. I've never had it run the whole time without having some issues with it. So
Oh, really?
I think it goes about an hour and a half.
I was kind of thinking about that.
It's got a bigger tank than the other stuff.
So what the tank is this one right here, right?
It's got, speaking of tanks, I realized I forgot to put cooling water in it after I got it started.
That'd be a good idea.
So make sure we put some cooling water in it since we're running it so long.
Right. Wow, that's a big water tank. Hey, which one's the gas tank?
The one behind it.
Oh, it's got a big tank on it. Well, it looks like it. A bigger tank compared to the others. Oh, that thing is so cool.
Yeah, so this is the fuel tank.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh my God. I'm so giddy.
Oh yeah, it's just a lot of fun. So,
Oh my God.
of course, it didn't quite fill up with water exactly, but I got a bit in there, and hopefully it'll
keep it at least.
There we go. Got the last bubble in, so I can put a dab more water in the top there.
What do you mean by bubble? It was like boiling, or?
There we go. See that little float came up? That tells you how much water.
Oh, wow.
So now the float came up, I know it's got water in it.
I see. So it's like a gauge. I got it.
Yeah.
Wow.
So.
That is so cool. I don't blame you. I would have done the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at you go. Where's the air intake?
It's just underneath there.
Okay.
So it looks pretty cool.
No, it's awesome. Like I said, it's making me giddy. I think it's awesome.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
I like the big tires in the back. How many times have you ran it?
A half dozen or so.
Okay.
Like I said, I keep having little issues, and then
Oh, really?
the carburetor is so finicky that some days when the weather's not quite right, I just get frustrated trying to adjust it. 'Cause, you know,
I get it.
like I showed you when we started it, it's barely got anything open right now. It's just the tiniest little fraction of a crack
Oh, yeah.
for open on that needle, and
On
when
that
I
yellow
touch it,
one?
it just, yeah. When I touch it, it just gets all out of adjustment. So
It's really sensitive. Oh.
Yeah, actually, what's that? There. Make sure that doesn't vibrate to a faster setting, because I like running it nice and slow like this. You know,
Oh, so it
the
goes
engine
fast,
goes
keeps it
faster, but, you know,
You try not to.
well, how fast does the tractor need to make donuts? You know, it's not a race car.
Right? That was a good quote.
So,
Yeah. Oh my god. It looks like it's making pretty donuts.
yeah, it makes,
Yeah, it's getting wider. It looks like it. Go further away. Yeah, because it keeps getting closer and closer to the Oompa, I think. I don't know, let's see. Just barely. Oh,
and then it's got reverse.
maybe
But reverse is a whole lot
it's a
slower.
lot slower.
Yeah,
Well, that's just like a regular car. You want to go.
yeah, like a regular car or tractor.
You go slow.
I do think it would be nice if this speed was the forward speed and they had an even slower one for reverse.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Why do you want that?
just because it would be a little more realistic for the tractor to go like this fast,
Oh, I get it.
you know, at idle speed, and then if you wanted to run it faster, it would go
Yeah.
faster. But
I
right
get it.
now, you know, it's idling kind of, this is about as slow as I can get it to run, and it goes pretty fast.
Yeah. Oh, it does.
Yeah, we were just doing it, and it goes real fast, so.
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
forward? Got it. Oh wow. That is so cool. Is there anything like you could put like what do you do? Like a trailer on it? You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I mean, that's the next thing that I kind of want to do is get a little trailer or other little farm implements.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
You know, a little cute little plow or something to pull around behind it.
yeah, yeah, exactly.
Because that would be cute if I found a little piece of dirt and had a plow or something to drag around in the dirt.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If it's possible. See, that's a lot fast. That's fast.
Yep. Like I said, I wish the backwards speed was the forward one, and then it could go even slower backwards. Because you know, this is kind of the idle speed, and
Oh,
it goes
really?
this, yeah. I mean, this is
So
how
it's
fast.
no faster than this.
Oh yeah. Let's see if.
You have to add more gas, right? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, no.
See, and that's the thing about the carburetor is so sensitive.
Yeah, I was just about to say the same thing.
It doesn't like to have throttle response because the. All right, let's see if it'll restart real quick or if it's. There we go. So, yup.
Wow, look at it go.
Yup. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's awesome. That's a good gift.
Oh yeah.
That's a good gift.
They're making a lot of really cool stuff,
Yeah.
little models and stuff in China nowadays, and it's just.
What else are they, do they have?
I mean, all those little engines that I play with are
Oh, okay.
from China, yeah. So there's a whole bunch more of them than what I have. They make a ton of them, so.
Yeah, I bet. What, you have an eye on another one engine? Anything else that you?
Oh, there we go. See, and it goes about 10-15 minutes here. And I don't know if that's because the adjustment on it is so sensitive or I don't have air in the fuel line. So.
It's just sensitive. And maybe the weather's blowing more than it is or something. Getting too much air. Oh, you said there is none.
Well, the other thing is I've used these batteries for a while, and I suspect because they're AAA that sometimes they.
Why? What would be wrong? What's wrong with the AAA?
I think they get weak after a bit.
Oh, okay. Compared to like AA's?
Yeah,
Oh.
just because they're smaller.
Or they're smaller.
Nope, I've definitely got it flooded.
Flooded.
Yeah.
You just have to keep hitting it.
Yeah, try to dry it out.
Wear it out, yeah. Awesome. Come on,
Alright. Guess I'll have to investigate and see if something happened. But.
Well,